Hello student, today we will learn science standard 5th. This is the cover page of your textbook for standard 5th subject science semester 1. Today we will learn chapter number 4 safety and first aid. In a last video we had complete this chapter. Now today we will learn textbook exercise and worksheet exercise. Get started. Now textbook exercise. Read and answer. Question number A. Pick the correct answer. If you want cut by a dirty or rushed object, you may get answer option a feature, sprain, rabies, tetanus. So correct answer tetanus. Number 2, for putting out a fire caused by petrol, we should switch off the electrical supply, throw water on it, turn off the gas supply, throw lots of sand on it. The rabies virus is carried by cockroach, hens, dogs, rabbits, cockroach. Sorry, answer dogs. Number 4, nails polish, naphthalene balls and paints may contain sugar, salt, poison, juice. So correct answer poison. Now question B, filling the blanks. When the skin is cut by rusted object, the injection one must take is called a dash injection. Correct answer anti-tetanus. Number 2, dash cause swelling and sometimes discoloration of the skin. Correct answer sprain. Number 3, an easily available object like a sheet of newspaper or pillow can be used as dash to give support to a broken bone, spleen. If a fire is caused by an electrical gadget, do not throw dash on it water. Destroy all dash which have crossed their expiry date. Medicine. Correct answer medicine. Now question number C. Write short answer. What is a tourniquet? Number 2. What can be used as a splint in case of feature fracture? Number 3. What is the sling? Number 4. When someone's clothes catch fire, we must not let him run around in panic. Why? Name the disease caused by a virus carried by dog and cats. Answers. So number 1, what is a tourniquet? Correct answer. The tourniquet is a tight bandage that is used to stop the flow of blood from a wound. Number 2, what can be used and explained in case of a fracture? Correct answer. Any easily available article like a sheet of newspaper, a magazine, a piece of cardboard, or a pillow around the injured bone can act as splint. Number 3, what is a sling? Sling is made from a triangular piece of cloth and is used for support. Number 4, when someone's clothes catch fire, we must not let him run around in panic. Why? When someone's clothes catch fire, we must not let him her run around in panic because this fans the flames. Number 5. Name the disease caused by a virus carried by dogs and cats. Answer. The disease caused by a virus carried by dogs and cats is rabies. Question D. Answer this question. What first aid should be given in case of a minor wound? Number 2. How would you help someone with a bleeding nose? Number 3. What is a spleen? How and why should it be used? Number 4. We must not prick blister. Why? Number 5. How will you put out a fire caused by defective ring? Number 6. What first aid should be given in case of a snake bite? Answer first. What first aid should be given in case of a minor wound? Answer in case of a minor wound, wash away all dirt around it. Clean the affected area with cotton wool soaked in an antiseptic solution. Place a thick pad of cotton or saline gauze on the wound and press it with your thumb and fingers. This will stop bleeding. Okay. Number two, how would you help someone with the bleeding nose? नाक में से खून आ रहा है तो आप कैसे हेल्प करोगे? इन केस ऑफ ब्लीडिंग नोज, कीप द पेशेंट अपराइट इन द कंफर्टेबल पोजिशन विथ हिज हर हेड हेल्ड बैक. उसको कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में बैठना है और अपने हेड को पीछे करना है, जैसे कि मैंने अपने लेसन में एक्सप्लेन किया उस तरह. प्रेस द ब्लीडिंग साइड ऑफ द नोज फैमिली. कीप एन आइस पैक एंड wet cloth on the nose and the head of the patient. If the bleeding is heavy, send for the doctor. Number 3. What is a splint? How and why should it be used? A splint is a piece of wood or cardboard used to hold a broken bone in position. Any easily available article like a sheet of newspaper, a magazine, a piece of cardboard or a pillow around the injured bones can act as splint. It should be used to prevent movement and help the broken bone to heal. Number 4. We must not prick blister, and why? Also, we must not prick blister because an open blister is an open wound. It can catch infection. Number 5. How will you put out a fire caused by defective ring? Answer. In case of fire caused by faulty ring, do not throw water on it. This can cause electrocutions. Immediately turn off the main switch. Smoother the fire by throwing sand. Use a fire extinguishers. What first aid should be given in case of a snake bite? Answer. In case of snake bite, apply a tourniquet just above the bite to stop the flow of blood. Now next, E. Thick and answer. Venu is a 4-year-old boy. His mother keep all medicine on the top shelf on the rack of the rack. Why? Answer. Accidentally consumption of medicine can cause a serious harm or even death. Venu is a 4-year-old, so he does not know much about this. That is why his mother kept all medicine on the top shelf of the rack. Number 2. Firemen crawl on the floor of a room that is filled with smoke. Why do they do this? Firemen crawl on the floor of a room that is filled with smoke to keep them away from carbon dioxide gas. The textbook exercise done. Now today we will learn worksheet exercise. So worksheet 1. Get started. Tick the correct answer. If you see a person falling down and getting hurt, answer. Help him to get up if he is a position to do so. In case a person clothes catch fire, answer. Cover him with a blanket to cut off air supply. Write T for true, F for false. Only a doctor can give first aid. F. When your nose bleeds below it. F. To treat burn, a paste of baking soda and water can be used. Of antiseptic lotion is not available. True. We should throw water on a petrol fire. F. In case of dog bite, wash the area and soap and water immediately. True. Question C. Answer this question. What would you do in case of a minor burn? Answer. In case of a minor burn, I would let running cold water flow over on the burn. I would then apply antiseptic cream or a paste of baking soda and water over it. Number 2, what is a splint? What is it? Its use. Number 2, answer. Any easily available article like a sheet of newspaper, a piece of cardboard, or a pillow can act as a splint. It is used to give support to a broken bone. Answer 3. What would you do in case of a fire caused by an electrical gadget? Answer. In case of fire caused by an electrical gadget, immediately turn off the main switch. Smother the fire by throwing sand or use fire extinguishers. Okay? Done. Now worksheet 2. Tick the correct answer. If there is a nasal bleeding in a person, ask him to hold his head back. In case of chemical burn, first wash off the chemical with lots of water. True or false? The broken bone must be moved on, heal and fracture faster. F. We should throw water on fire caused by short circulating. F. You should check the expire date on medicine bottle before consuming the medicine. Answer T. Rabies is caused by several burn. F. In the in case of a snake bite, we should take the victim immediately to the astrologer. F. Answer the questions. Who gives first aid and why? Answer. First aid can be given by any person because it is the first medicine help for the injured person before a doctor arrive, and it can even save a person's life. Number 2, why should we wash our hand before giving first aid to a victim with a cut? Answer. We wash our hand before giving first aid to a victim with a cut, as germs from dirty hands may infect the wound. Question 3. Write the captions of the following road sign. So first, no honking. Second, no left turn. And last, no U-turn. Okay, understood? So textbook worksheet 2 exercise done. So dear student, today we will learn textbook exercise and worksheet exercise. So today's homework, textbook exercise, all textbook exercise write down in your notebook as well as your textbook. It is your homework. And worksheet exercise write down in your worksheet is your homework. Okay student, understood? Thank you.